It's time for a change. The biggest and most spectacular change of the last 10 years. Product who announces the beginning of new line of K2. Perfect and improved K2 Roton Pro. It easily handles road grime or dust from brake pads. K2 Roton Pro is unusual gel for cleaning wheel as bleeding wheel. Product is safe in 100% for all types of wheels, including steel, aluminum, chromed or painted. Competitive fluids run off quickly, which can lead to discoloration. After applying, K2 Roton Pro creates a thick layer of concentrated gel, which sticks to the wheel for a long time. Gel in contact with dirt changes color to red. In an easy way, you can control your process of cleaning. K2 Roton Pro is an obligatory product in every detailing studio. Spectacular bleeding effect is not only the attraction of this product. K2 Roton Pro has neutral pH. You can use K2 Roton Pro as deironizer for cleaning of metal parts. The double function atomizer makes your liquid splashing in a two-way spray or stream. K2 Roton Pro ends unpleasant odors during wheel cleaning. The new version of K2 Roton Pro has a delicate scent of cherry. Because of measures, you can see and control the amount of liquid. Ergonomic shape makes the work become more pleasant. K2 Roton Pro is the highest quality at the usual price. Black packaging, double function atomizer, and captivating effect of bleeding wheels. All of this and much more will provide you completely new K2 Roton Pro. Subscribe to our channel and press the button below to stay informed with new products and information which we are preparing.